Hey subbies, welcome back to my channel. You know the role. Take a seat, grab a drink, and enjoy this video. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I hope you can see my face. I'm so sick. I'm literally so sick, but like I'm forcing to create content for you guys because why not? I have like a toothache and my gums are sore on like this whole side. So it's even like impossible for me to eat solid things, but I take painkillers. I have to take painkillers every morning, imagine, so that I can be able to speak, because when I don't take painkillers, I can't even speak. Imagine. Oh my god. So yeah, my dentist is full and I don't want to go to another dentist. So like I'm gonna wait for her to get like an opening slot because she has like my medical history. So yes. But anyway, today we'll be doing something a bit different. As you guys saw on my channel, I don't know if you guys noticed, but like I'm busy trying everything and I'm busy trying to see what I like doing and what you guys like. So far, you guys like the vlog a lot. You guys love the vlog, and I keep saying that my life is so boring. I'm hardly gonna vlog because my life is so boring, but I might do a cook with me mini vlog. Basically, that's what I'm doing today. So if it goes well and you guys like it, then I'm gonna be doing a cook with me all the time. So today I'm making samp with vors stew. It's the first time I ever make vors stew. So but it's not the first time I make samp, but it's the first time I make vors stew. So I'm quite excited, and I have a friend coming over later, so you guys are gonna see my other friend, Rebecca. So yeah, let's just go to the kitchen and get cooking. Okay guys, like I said, I'm making samp and vors stew. So I made the samp soak overnight. So now I am going to wash it a bit and then I'm going to drain the water. It's important for you guys to like literally make the samp stay overnight because the water cleans it, okay? Okay, so this is sunflower seed. Just a little bit, guys, not a lot. And also you do that, you literally are going to swirl the oil around so that the vors can get like oil all around it. And naturally vors does have oil. Now I'm going to switch on my stove on high heat because I'm going to fry it. And then I'm going to use barbecue spice. And then I'm going to use with the roast, you guys. Look at that. Like what?
A few moments later.
Hi, Mother. How are you? How are you? I'm okay.
I even thought it
This is Rebecca, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I am done with my Samp. I just added, let me show you guys quickly. I just added soup packs for the change of color, and I added some salt. And then I also added a bit of parsley because I just love parsley. So now it's ready for me. Can you guys see how amazing this looks?